So where I like to study at, I like to study at the library because it has like three levels. So the first level you could talk, you could chit chat. The second level, you have to be a little bit quiet. You could still talk, but keep the volume down. But the third level, it's completely silent. So I use the third level a lot because for me, I cannot work with noise. I cannot work with any background noise. I need it to be completely silent. So I love studying there because I can be completely focused. And I also like studying at Sellinger because Sellinger has a lot of classrooms where you could use whiteboards. You could use also like chalk to write on the boards. And if I get a little bit antsy, like I could just like walk around the classroom because it doesn't feel very like closed in. I love hanging out at Boulder 2.0. Me and my friends, we love going to Boulder 2.0 and we love, sitting down, and we can also eat and have like our food. It's not like loud to the point where you can't hear each other. And this is a very calming place to like also for us to like get together and do work and also get together and hang out. I love relaxing at the humanities because humanities, they have a lot of like areas where you can sit, do your work, eat, and you could also, there's couches where they have blankets where you could like, take a nap if you are very tired. I also really like Fernandez because Fernandez, there are like tables where you could use your expo marker and like write on it, so you don't have to actually have a whiteboard. You could literally write on the tables, and so it's efficient to do that, and it's a lot of study rooms, which I like.